Tecnominutos con Obed Borrero es una presentación de virtualizate.net.
Saludos amigos de Virtualízate y de Tecnominutos. Estamos aquí en Tecno SOS, muy contentos de compartir con todos ustedes. Bueno, en el día de hoy tuvimos la oportunidad de visitar las facilidades de Microsoft en Puerto Rico, específicamente en Humacao. Y es una facilidad que originalmente fueron construidas para, desde el punto de vista de manufactura, para crear primero los famosos floppies. Aquellos de ustedes que se acuerdan de los floppies. Ahí empezaron a hacerse los floppies, luego los CDs y DVDs. Y actualmente todavía, aunque usted no lo crea, todavía se siguen haciendo DVDs ahí, especialmente aquellos que son del Xbox. Así que si usted es un gamer, sepa que todavía en Puerto Rico se hacen esos DVDs de gamer. Y no solamente eso, este edificio o estas facilidades se ha convertido en un centro de descargas digitales para el mundo entero, específicamente el hemisferio oeste, ¿no? El área que cubre nuestra parte del mundo. Y muy interesante porque vamos a ver una entrevista con con el gerente general, el señor Purschwitz. Gene, excelente persona, tremendo tipo, de verdad que tienen que conocerlo, bien agradable. Y Gene nos cuenta que esta es la única facilidad en el mundo de Microsoft que tiene 3 operaciones distintas. Número 1, ellos trabajan la parte óptica. Es impresionante ver toda la función de cómo funciona la parte óptica, cómo hacen desde cero, desde la materia prima y que lo convierten en DVDs, cómo hacen la pintura, cómo hacen todo el proceso, cómo tratan el agua. Es increíble, muy interesante. Además de tener esa parte de división de DVDs y de la parte óptica que ha ido bajando a nivel mundial, obviamente, por todo lo que tiene que ver con download, pero ellos han empezado a recoger también proyectos y trabajos del mundo en la parte de Microsoft que se hacen en Puerto Rico. Así que es muy interesante esa área. La parte de digital downloads, esto quiere decir es que muchos de los downloads que usted hace en lanzamientos específicamente salen de aquí, salen de estas facilidades de Humacao en Puerto Rico, y también lo que se conoce como product release o el lanzamiento de producto. Y hicimos varias preguntas con respecto a esto y obviamente se cuida mucho de sus contestaciones por razones de seguridad, pero aquí hay un laboratorio, un grupo de profesionales que se encarga de que este release, de que este lanzamiento de este software cumpla con todos los parámetros y todos los procedimientos para que no pase lo que pasó con el iOS 8, que cuando hicieron el update, la primera versión, el 8.1, cuando hicieron ese release, se volvieron locos muchos iPhones porque precisamente la gente, como este departamento que se encarga de hacer eso, no hizo su trabajo. Así que nosotros vamos a presentarles ahora esta entrevista con Gene, que es el gerente general de la planta, que lleva ya cerca de 17, 18 años trabajando con Microsoft. Nos habló de cómo es el ambiente, de cuáles son los planes futuros y sobre todo cómo en una isla como Puerto Rico hay potencial siempre y cuando hayan 2 cosas muy importantes. Número 1, costo de electricidad bajo, y número 2, bandwidth. Electricidad baja y bandwidth. Así que veamos la entrevista de Gene y manténgase siempre aquí conectado en Tecnominutos.
Perfect. Doing great, and as we talked about earlier, it's great to have everybody here at the operation today.
Mr. Purschwitz, we are here in the Microsoft plant in Puerto Rico, and this plant is unique and it's very interesting, but I would like that you can explain me why this plant is unique in the world.
Sure. So this plant actually performs 3 different functions. One, it is the only plant in Microsoft's entire network that is an owned manufacturing facility for optical media. We make CDs and DVDs. We also run product release services out of here, and we run a data center that provides digital downloads for customers across the Western Hemisphere.
Well, it's very interesting, and here in Puerto Rico, we have the capacity and the bandwidth to do that.
Absolutely. So that's been something that's been developing over the course of the last several years, and we're starting to see more bandwidth become available for those purposes. This year we've upgraded, and it appears that even more is on the way, and so I would expect to see the market continue to address the bandwidth requirements as other companies, technology companies in particular, continue to move more and more of their products electronically.
Is Puerto Rico an island or place good to do
technology. It has a future. What have to do maybe Puerto Rico to be competitive with the world. Right now we have a lot of competitors in the world. And, well, Puerto Rico, you are here in Puerto Rico and you're doing good.
I'd say yes. I'd answer that question pretty positively. The universities here are producing a lot of technical talent. We talked a little bit earlier about standing up a new capability this year that was more than 30 jobs, all information worker types of jobs, and we have been able consistently to reach out and acquire the kind of talent that we need inside of this operation as we've transitioned from being really 100% at one point in time physical manufacturing to what's now over 60% information worker types of jobs. We've been able to get all of that talent out of Puerto Rico.
We have been talking about out of the camera about the transition to be total digital. It will be in a space in the next 10 years maybe to that people don't use optical devices like DVDs or CDs?
Sure. So optical media certainly has declined. CDs and DVDs certainly have declined over the course of the last really 10 years. That's been replaced by a couple of things. One is digital download. Most people are familiar with that. You log on, actually get your code, download it to your PC and then or your device, and then move on. We're also seeing some other technologies start to emerge. USB sticks for recovery media for devices that don't have optical drives. We don't know what might be behind that. If you've got cameras, people that are digital photographers, use a lot of SD cards or even micro SD cards in your phones, and so we don't know what the next technology behind optical media and USB might be. One of the things that we're committed to here at Microsoft Operations Puerto Rico is to be on the leading edge of that for Microsoft. So as those technologies emerge, we're setting the specifications for speed, for storage size, what the anti-piracy treatment's going to be. And so we really look at our role there as a leadership role inside of the company as the kind of operation that we are in whatever is next, everything from download to other types of physical media.
It's interesting that some of the important launches or releases in the world have been released from here, right?
Correct. In fact, since 1990, when we began doing business in Puerto Rico, pretty much every major product launch, and certainly if you're talking about Windows, Office, Server and Tools products, and Microsoft Business Systems products, have come through this plant. And then today we also make a number of products for the Xbox Business Stream, the Xbox 360 platform, and other miscellaneous launches for the Microsoft Corporation as well. So yes, if you've got Windows 7, if you've got Windows 8, hope so. In the Western Hemisphere, North, Central, South America, it came out of this plant.
You are here, Microsoft, one of the best places to work, and you are the general manager. What are you doing that you are winning that prize? And it's very good to know. People are happy here, so to be happy.
Well, it's a great environment, and I would just say that that honor has been bestowed upon all three of Microsoft's operations here, joined together, operating as one Microsoft. So certainly our partners in Guaynabo in sales have a role in that. Our partners in Plaza Las Americas in the store have a role in that. We've got a role in that. Different people would say probably different things. I think it's actually pretty straightforward. I think you get the best talent that you possibly can and then put them in an environment where they have a great environment to do the best possible work that they can do and just basically empower people to do what you're hiring them to do. And I think that is pretty much a Microsoft platform for how we like to see the business run. It seems to work well and drive a pretty high degree of workplace satisfaction here in Puerto Rico.
Tecnominutos con Obed Borrero es una presentación de virtualizate.net.